Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review is on District. Well, what do you know? It played out. The bullish move to the upside, that inverted head and shoulder pattern that I keep saying over and over and over and over. It plays out when you are in a bullish market. Look for it. Market's gonna give you clues. Success leaves clues. Follow the clues. Someone that I had learned a little bit of trading from, Leonard. Shout out to Leonard. He would always say, you know, um, that RSI is going to be your map, right? It's going to lead you to the treasure. Your price action is going to be your shovel. Your profits, your gold, right? Now, everyone can be a different panhandler, gold panner, or whatever it's called. Um, but everyone is going to have different tactics, possibly even different tools. Some shovels may not be the same. So trade with your own strategy. Find a strategy that's going to work for you. I started trading the Steve Morrow beat the market maker method, and I was so sold on that method that I just decided to learn it over and over and over repeatedly, and it played out. A lot of that really, those core concepts are involved in my trading. So I keep a lot of those principles in mind. And I did also do a little bit of a mentorship, a quick mentorship, but it really helped. It was about a month with this guy named Devante Rev. Shout out to Rev. He's a great trader. He taught me a little bit of work on order block, and it wasn't even so much of a one-on-one. It was just like, hey, this is what you look for. And he just kind of broke it down in a more simpler term. I understood order blocks before, but this really helped out. So you could see that market here, this right here is an order block, you know? So once I started seeing the order blocks and once I started piecing everything together, my trading improved 100%. So shout out to Devante, and then also want to give another shout out to D-Web from Web Ties. Man, you already know, because of D-Web, I got my confidence back in trading. I was a little down on myself, a couple months back. I understood that I could see these markets, but for whatever reason, my execution was not playing out. So I decided to just go all in. If you want everything from the market, you got to put yourself all in. It's not going to reward you if you don't go all in. So um, I'm excited. All the hard work that been going through for the past 3 years finally started to play out. Everyone has different market vision. Everyone has a different focus. Different things that they could see in the markets. That's fine. There may not be a one solution to everyone. Someone may see a different move than I can. So if anyone sees any move on District that may be different, that's gonna say, hey, this is already exhausted. It's gonna drop it in the chat. But for right now, it looks like this is gonna keep running to the upside. So very excited. You know, I don't know how much more to tell you. These patterns play out. Learn how to trade. It can change your life. But please understand, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You will not get rich overnight. You will not learn how to trade overnight. And be careful, because there are many fake gurus, many fake furus out there that'll just really try to steal your money. They'll charge you a monthly and never trade with you, never go live. They'll never show you a chart, but they'll tell you that they're going to trade with you one on one. If it's too good to be true and someone's promising you riches within the next 6 months, run. Unless you really can understand these concepts, unless you're really disciplined, unless realistically you can, again, piece together everything, you're smart, you can understand this in 6 months, but for most, it's not realistic. 90% of traders fail. 10% of traders don't. The only thing that separates the 10% from the 9% is that 10% never gave up. So we'll see how District keeps moving. Very excited. Again, it's been playing out. I do see this continuing up to the upside, and we'll see how far this goes. Until next time, thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful at all, please, please, please share, subscribe, comment, like. Until next time, again, thanks for watching. Carlos with Bulls of Crypto.